I am taking y'all back to old school YouTube. We are going to do a what's in my bag today. Okay, we got a spicy red bag to match, you know, my little spicy red outfit or whatnot. So yeah, I thought this video would be super fun to do because YouTubers really don't do these types of videos anymore. And y'all, I used to love these videos, so I said I would do one for you. So y'all already know we got the spicy red bag. I did get this bag from City Trends because yes girl, we are balling on a budget. I know this is like a Coach dupe bag or whatever, but y'all, this was like $11. I don't care if it was a Coach dupe or not. I like it, and I really got it because I needed a red bag because I love wearing red, y'all. It just, I don't know, I just love wearing red. I really don't like the color, but I like to wear it. Strange, right? First item that's in my bag is, of course, girl, my phone. Yes, call me cheap, call me whatever, y'all. This is my iPhone 8 Plus, and I've been rocking with my 8 Plus for about 2 years or something like that now. Love this phone. Will not buy another phone until this one just croaks and breaks. I love this phone. I actually just put a new case on my phone, y'all. It is so cute. It's like a Chanel inspired phone case. It is kind of thin, but y'all, I really do like it, y'all. It's so freaking cute. I don't upgrade phones unless, you know, something happens to the phone that I have, because I'm not trying to waste no money. Okay, period. So the next item in my bag, y'all already know I gotta keep a wallet on me. I used to bring like my big wallet with me, but since I've been wearing like medium bags, sometimes I don't even wear a medium bag. Sometimes I'll wear like a crossbody bag. I'll just carry this, y'all. I've been wearing this for about maybe a year and a half, and I do have a black one. I think I'm gonna switch it over to that one. This one is pink, but yeah, it just holds like all of my cards and stuff in here. And y'all, I really do like it. It's convenient, and then I just keep a little bit of cash in here, and that's it, y'all. So I really do like it. I have had it for like a year and a half, and it still works. The gold is a little dingy, but you know, it is what it is. It came from Victoria's Secret. So yeah, y'all, this is like my mini wallet. Next item in my purse is a penny that is connected to my business card holder. So this is my business card holder, y'all. That is so hard to say. This is the gold one. I did buy like a pack of 10 or 13. And this is the gold one. So I just keep my business cards in here. I don't want y'all to see my phone number because I don't want no strange people calling me, okay? You never know who's watching your YouTube videos. But yeah, this is my business card, so I make sure I keep my business cards on me at all time. Y'all already know I'm a makeup artist in Savannah, Georgia, so y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. If you in Savannah, Georgia, come get slayed, okay? So the next item I have, I recently brought this is my hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. I haven't even used this yet. I just put it in my purse because I need to use it. The next item I have is the Moonlight Frost, and y'all already know this is like one of my favorite fall scents. Just put it in my purse to freshen up. I keep a lot of fragrances in my purse, y'all, because I never know when I'm going to like run out the house and not put any fragrance on. But I actually wore this the other day, and y'all know I like to freshen up with my body mist. So yeah, and this one smells so good, especially for the fall time. If you haven't checked out my favorite fall fragrances, y'all make sure you check it. My bag is this little pink pen. Anytime that I have to sign anything, I like to sign it in pink. So I try to keep a pink pen inside of my bag, but honestly, y'all, sometimes I have black, but I like the pink one because, girl, if you see that pink signature, you know it's me. Also, I like to keep a little snack in my purse just in case I get hungry. And y'all know I'm on a lifestyle change, trying to eat correctly, all right, y'all? So this is the Simple Truth crispy rice bar, and it's only like 70 calories, y'all. So I really do like these things, and y'all, they taste really, really good. So if you see them in Kroger's, y'all pick them up. So I always like to keep just a little snack on me, and I do have this hand sanitizer. This is Tropical Palm antibacterial hand spray. I was about to say soap, y'all. I haven't even smelled this, so I really and I sprayed it on Bath and Body Works hand cream. This, well, body cream, but y'all, I use them as hand creams. The lavender and vanilla, the sleep. Y'all, my hands get so freaking dry. I wash my hands constantly throughout the day, and I always use hand sanitizer, so I have to keep some lotion on me at all times at work. No matter what, I keep it on me, okay? I also do have this Burt's Bees. This is the pomegranate lip balm, and they do have natural lip balm. I try to go as natural as I possibly can. Keep a little mini nail file inside of my purse, along with some nail glue, because y'all, when your nail pops off, y'all know I do press-ons. Okay, I just did my nails too for Halloween. I was like, oh, this blue and orange would be really cute together, so that's what I did, y'all. People really think I go to the nail salon, and I don't. I do have a nail tech, and I do get my nails done sometimes from her, but honestly, y'all, I'm just a press-on girl. So yeah, y'all, when I did my nails today, I was like, you know what, for Halloween, let me put 2 orange fingernails. So yeah, y'all, but when your nails pop off, y'all, make sure you have some nail glue. Also, make sure you have this little file, because you want to file your nail first and then put the glue on. These big earrings, I don't know why these are in here. I think I wore them the last time. I was actually looking for these and couldn't find them. These earrings are so freaking heavy on your ear. I literally took a picture in these and took them off because they are so heavy. I love pearl earrings, but y'all, these are super heavy. So these are actually in my bag. And also I have the Huda Beauty. This is their setting powder, and I actually do like this setting powder. It's called Kanafua or something like that. It's the yellow one, and I actually like this. I started to take this back, but I didn't. I just like to freshen up throughout the day and use this setting powder and just blot my face with it, because sometimes I can get oily in my T-zone. So yeah, y'all, I like to do that. I was kind of oily today just because, and look at me, y'all, trying to touch up on camera. And y'all, I was oily today just because I was trying a new setting powder, and it is like super hydrating, and I don't think I like it, because it had me looking dewy, but it had me looking very oily, so I didn't like that. But I do like this for touch-ups. It was pricey. I started to take it back to Sephora, but I do like it as like a mini powder to just touch up with in my purse. So yeah, I did keep this, and I do like the setting powder actually. So of course I have a mascara. This is the Revlon Ultra Volume Mascara. I do like this one, y'all, and I've been loving the like no eyelash look. I guess I'm just touching up all my makeup on camera, but I've been loving the no eyelash look, y'all. I don't know why. Probably because I'm getting kind of lazy with my makeup. I really don't feel like applying eyelashes or anything like that. So yeah, I haven't. I also have this Afrique lipstick. I probably should have put this lipstick on, because I'm really not feeling this lipstick with this look. So yeah, I probably should have put this one on, but I'm not going to change it, girl, because I'm already 2 videos down. And then also I have my lip gloss from my website. Y'all, make sure you support your girl. Everything on my website is actually on sale because we are rebranding. And y'all, I am coming out with some fire products. I have been definitely holding out, but once I get my inventory cleared out, my new stuff is going to be even more fire than my original stuff. So yeah, y'all, make sure you check out my lip gloss. Everything is on sale, y'all, and I love this shade pink. It's in the shade Pretty Pink. So yeah, check that out in the description box. I have so much change inside of my purse, it's like ridiculous. So the last products I actually have inside of my purse are some fragrances. Y'all already know this is the Kat Von D. This is the Center perfume. This is a straight dupe for Mon Paris by YSL. This one smells so good to me. I don't know why people don't like this one, because it literally smells exactly like YSL. This one does not last that long though. I'm not sure how long the YSL Mon Paris lasts, but I'm not really sure about that. But this one doesn't last long. It is a vegan formula though. I really do like the scent. Smells so good. And I'm also trying out a new perfume. This is Victor and Rolf Bonbon. So I've worn this twice, y'all, and I actually really do like it. I can kind of understand why people fell in love with it when it first came out, but girl, that little bow packaging that they had, I did not like at all. So I did pick up this little travel size. So yeah, y'all, I'll be doing a perfume haul soon. Very sweet and very girly. For me, it's not mature at all. Like, it kind of reminds me of college. So yeah, but I do really like it. It smells pretty good. So that is it. That is everything that's inside of my handbags. If you like videos like this, y'all, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe, because my shirt is red and my bag is red, and you should hit that red subscribe button, girl. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning into Pink Fluff Empire, and I will see you on my next video.